With the world facing a pandemic, the most vulnerable members of society are yet again the worst affected. With many countries on the brink of national crisis, One Nation will be ready to respond, providing vital aid locally and globally. Locally, One Nation are working alongside local food banks and are requesting urgent donations to support the most vulnerable in our local community. Due to the spread of coronavirus and new government regulations of social distancing and self-isolation for the elderly and vulnerable, One Nation will be delivering food and other essentials door to door. Many of us will be well stocked up due to the crisis, but please think about the most vulnerable in our community. Please give what you can if you have surplus to those who are already going without due to the food shortages in supermarkets. Please donate £30 to help us purchase essentials. In war-torn countries where millions are displaced, there are fears of an outbreak could have catastrophic consequences. Whilst many of us self-isolate with stockpiles of food and hygiene products, displaced families don't even have a home to isolate in. Help us support families in places like Syria, Yemen and Gaza by donating today so we can distribute emergency hygiene and food packs for £30.
Charity diverts calamity. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ said, "Give charity without delay, for it stands in the path of calamity." It stands in the way of calamity. And this hadith is reported by At-Tirmidhi. The lesson in this hadith is profound, as it not only encourages us to attain good deeds by giving charity, but also it's better to spend a little amount regularly for the sake of Allah than for a calamity to befall us where we could potentially have to spend much more to remove that calamity. Prevention is better than cure.